Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Alti trading, a tool that claims to help you to learn how to develop trading strategies with beginners course, free coaching and expert tools. It's an online school to develop trading strategies, to learn how to invest. You're gonna get all the features of the future starter plan if you get the tier 1, or profitable trader if you get the tier 2. It's $39 with the tier 1, and with the tier 2 you get 2 extra course: the day trader pro strategy and swing trader pro strategy. I'm gonna show you the course environment so you can understand what you're gonna get if you buy out trading. So here you can see that you earn prize when you complete lessons and challenge. Here you can see your course. Those are the courses that you're gonna get on the starter plan. So understand the financial markets, using the best tools, create an initial strategy, managing your capital, managing your positions, getting started, and spot space trader. So the tool works as any online course tool. And if you get the tier 2, you're gonna get the day trader pro and the swing trader pro course. They also have a coaching feature. So every Wednesday, they have a group coaching for beginner traders and advanced traders. And all the coaching will be recorded. Also, you can book individual coaching. It's not included on the lifetime deal. You need to pay for the individual coaching. You can book it here. They also offer an exclusive community to learn more about trading. The tool also has 3 different tools. The first one, you can check the market by stocks, different units, daily, weekly, monthly, and see how the stocks are, you know, profiting. Also, you can see some investing calculators here: CFD calculator, shares calculator, trading plan, and simulator. You get this inside your course. And also they offer some exclusive discounts to signing to different kind of brokers. So you can invest, you can trade, and learn more how to earn income with trading. That video is to show you how the alt trading works, which kind of features that you're gonna get. Remember, to unlock the Day Trader Pro and the Swing Trader Pro course, you need to buy the tier 2. I hope you like that review. I have added the best link on the descriptions to get alt trading. Thank you so much. Bye bye.